Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some leaked stuff coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so we are going to be looking at some leaked stuff. The first one is going to be the Spring Ultimate member box. So here is the preview for it right here. And as you can see, we have this like jester throne with like typical jester hat and then some ears which match up with these. This is Jester Embern, which isn't a good name, I think, but yeah, it looks like it's wearing a jester hat on the Embern. It has like some balls on its legs, and yeah, it looks pretty odd. We were expecting it to be something else, like an Ember Shed Ultimate, or Ultimate Membership variant, but we got Embern instead. Here is the spine for that Embern, so we can see that it has the muzzle, the legs, and yeah. And here is its icon. And then we also have a Liaison one, because that's Embern's evolvement. So it looks like this one has like ones that are going down. This one looks more like a clown because the red nose, well, the last one had a red nose, but it also has like blue things on its cheeks and white, which is normally what a clown would wear. And then here is the Liaison's spine, so we can see that it has its mouth with it roaring. Here's its body, here's its mane, and yeah. And this also means that Embern and Liaison are both getting updated to HD. So here is Embern for its spine. Here is Liaison for its spine. And then here's Liaison's icon, icon, and then here is Embern's. So the other thing we're getting in this chair, or in this member box, you can already see pretty well, that's the chair. Here's its icon, here's what it looks like sitting down, and then here's it horizontal. And then we also have the May member box to look at, so let's go ahead and look at that. So here's what we have. We have like a teacup, we can see the eyes, and yeah, it just looks like a normal teacup. I assume this is going to be a buddy because those eyes are what you'd normally see in a buddy's icon. And then this should be a house item, which is like a cake with strawberries and a fork over here. So it seems like Prodigy recently has been only doing a buddy and a house item. They haven't been, I don't think they've released a new item, like I don't think they've released a new item the whole year. Like something that you can actually wear. I don't think Prodigy's actually released like a hat or a outfit or boots or something at all. And then the final thing we have to look at is a new battle background for Springfest, and it looks very cool. So here it is right here. We can see the Fox's logo in the middle. We can see the bunnies up here on this fountain. We can see the foxes with an arrow through it and a target. I think they're supposed to be hitting the apple, I don't know. We have some eggs over here, a bird's nest down here with a magic egg, and then I assume a bird's egg. Here's what it looks like without any of the side stuff. And then here's a more zoomed out version of the foreground, so we can see there are some eggs, which I don't think are going to be making it into the actual battle screen. So there are actually the Jester Embern and Jester Liaison in the game. We can go to the pet book, and if we go to the last page, here they are. You can see Jester Embern loves to play and make people laugh with its silly expressions. Sometimes it might even make a harmless prank on. That says play, not make. And if you want to evolve it, you can do that at level 25. Its element is physical. I don't know why there's a plant icon there. I don't think the power to hearts matters anymore. And then we can see Jester Liason. This version of Liason has changed its intimidating appearance for a much more playful one. Don't be fooled, however, Jester Liason is still a fierce fighter. If we go to the tab, we can see that its element is also physical. And I have put these on my team. I don't... Actually, we can go ahead and look at its stats, I believe. So we will scroll down and look at that. What in the world? Alright, so now that that's gone, we're going to load up Jester Embern. Its health with charge levels is 670, speed 570, power 910, which is pretty good. I think that might be one of the highest in the game. Oh wait, no, that's not. That's just with charge levels. And then defense 630. Now that the charge levels are off of it, health 590, speed 440, power 760, defense 780. So it's still a pretty powerful pet, but I don't really think it has any other good stats besides that. And then we can go to Jester Liason. Health 630, speed 440, power 760, defense 490. So yeah, it does seem pretty decent. I'll try and use it in battle just because I can't see it. I don't think we're going to be able to see it in battle either, but we will be able to see its spells, so let's just go ahead and get into a battle. So only one of them is showing up at a time, and this is completely bugged out. So it can do Nip, which is, you can't see the power, the excellence, it has excellent aim. We can do Heat Spout, which is, we can't see the power and the excellent aim, recharge 1. Bite, which is aim good, no recharge, and then Chomp, which is excellent, recharge 1. And now we have Jester Liason, and it can do Bite, which is aim good, recharge none, Chomp, which is excellent aim, no recharge, Kindle, which is excellent aim, recharge none, but it is a dice, and then Puncture, which is excellent aim, no recharge, but it also is a dice. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.